Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Summer is in full swing. So what does that mean? It means a lot of impromptu get-togethers. Come on over,
Okay.
let's have some
putting away the
food and
ice. I forgot the ice.
I know, it's okay. We forgot a lot of things around here. Debbie is here to tell us how we can do things fun, last minute.
Yes.
Sometimes those best moments is when the door opens and your friend just comes over and you just chill in, nothing's really planned, and look at voila what you can do.
Absolutely. Or if you want to have everything done in advance, so
Yes.
you can open up the door and chill. Either way.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
What are we
summer.
doing? Yes, it is summer. What are some easy, quick ideas that you could put together for those last minute guests?
So this is easy peasy to cut open a bell pepper and put in some dips. It looks beautiful, very entertaining.
How have I not done this in any of my parties that I've thrown?
Right?
This is the cutest idea. You just cut it and cleaned it out and stuffed it?
Exactly. So we
Okay.
have a tzatziki dip, we have hummus with some seasoning mix on top, and labneh and za'atar.
With some fruit.
Yeah, just to let you know, when you build a platter, you want
Yeah,
a little bit of
a little
sweet,
bit of
salty,
everything.
creamy, what have you.
Okay, and then
So if you want to go next level,
let's go next level.
next level entertaining, something a little heartier. This is a seared ahi poke with wonton crisps. And these are really easy to make. You can take your wontons and cut them in quarters, so you
Okay.
get cute little squares like this.
Okay, so just cut them up.
Yep,
Got
and
it.
then you can fry them in some grapeseed oil. They take 2 seconds. Like, they go super
May I?
fast. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and those obviously, if you have friends that are coming over gluten-free, you can do tortilla chips,
How do you make this? I've never, I get scared dealing with
raw fish.
Raw fish.
Okay, so first thing, you want to go to a reliable place that has high-grade sushi,
Okay.
grade ahi. So a fish store, the fish markets, a place like that. And so what we're going to do over here is we're using a spice and leaf barbecue blend espresso. It's got coffee in here, a little bit of coffee. You can give it a smell. So it's smoked paprika.
Oh, that smells so good. My mouth just went long.
Right?
Okay.
So the espresso and the smoked paprika are the key combinations. A beautiful piece of ahi. And what we're gonna do is coat it. And I just wanna turn on the oven for a second because this will not work unless the oven is piping hot.
Okay.
So we're gonna coat this up. And the other thing we are going to do is make a delicious sauce. So I did make the sauce, but I'll tell you what I put in there because
Okay.
we're gonna put it all together. So I have toasted sesame oil, some rice vinegar, and I'm using coconut aminos
I
or
love that.
soy sauce,
Okay.
right? So for some people, they don't want to do the soy or
Yeah.
they don't want the gluten, so that's another option. And then honey. So a little bit of honey in there. And
Okay.
so it is a tablespoon of the coconut aminos, a tablespoon of the sesame oil, a teaspoon of the rice vinegar, and a teaspoon of the honey.
You mix it all
Mix
together?
it all up.
Okay.
And you've got that going. And so we're gonna save that to the end. So this is what I like to do is to put some of the spices on the plate and to coat it so you get it nice and crusty. I know this is not gonna be quite hot enough, but we will pop it in here.
So we're searing it.
Yeah, we're gonna sear it just a little bit so it's still literally red on the inside and coated on the outside.
Okay.
And once that's done, you can take it and cut it up and add the sauce and the avocado.
And
that's what we have right over there.
You mixed all this in, so this
Yeah.
is very simple. This was just the ahi that was seared
Yep.
with the seasoning, the sauce, and an avocado, and that's
Yeah,
it?
yeah, and I added a little bit of salt. But what I would say is you can prep this a day in advance
Oh, you can.
or morning of. I would not do it any more than that.
Okay.
By searing it on the outside and getting it piping hot, you're killing any of the bacteria that are in
I
there.
want to try this and see what you got. And you're also
Yeah.
making us a cocktail too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, let's
Well-
see this first. Oh, oh.
It's
No.
really good.
Oh, that's good.
That's like a staple in my house when I'm entertaining.
Oh, you gotta make this at home. That's really good and easy.
It's super easy.
Okay.
The recipe's on the Fox 5 As Seen tab. And so, you know, if it's summertime, maybe you want a glass of wine or a little cocktail, mocktail. So we're making a chai whiskey sour, kind of going with that Asian theme. And so I have some chai tea here, black tea, and I infused it with hot water and sugar to make a simple syrup.
Oh, nice.
So
Okay.
that is what's gonna give this color. It looks like tea, but like crazy sweet. So what we are going to do here, I have some ice in my shaker, and we're gonna do 2 ounces, or the big side of the jig right
It's
in here.
Friday. Just, you know.
Yeah, lemon juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and about 3/4 of an ounce of the chai whiskey sour. And we're gonna shake that up. Do you want to shake, and I'll check on the
Yeah,
ahi?
I would
Click,
love
put
to.
your finger
Put
there.
my
Yeah,
finger,
yeah.
because this could turn out to be not a good moment.
Yeah.
Is that good?
And, well, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
And I'll just take a quick moment to show you. You can
Yeah,
start
show our
to
friends
see
Got it.
the sear on the bottom where it starts to turn that opaque color, and then it's still brown. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it for you guys, and then you can see the nice crust on the outside.
Debbie, it's always a good day
Yeah.
when you come in. Always a good day.
Cheers. A little sip.
You'd like, is it boss? Hello? May I have a sip of this? It's Friday. I worked really hard this week. It's okay. I got 2 thumbs up. Both sides of here. Click the little C dot down. You'll get the recipe for it. I got permission.
Okay.
Cheers. Happy weekend, Debbie. Thank you.